Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Chef Nirajan. Today I have something super special for you. One of the most loved dessert, Gulab Jamun, also known as Lalmoon. This soft, sweet, and absolutely delicious treat is favorite in so many households, and I can't wait to share my take on it with you. So stick around, enjoy the process, and let's make some magic in the kitchen. Let's get started. Now let's create the rich aromatic sugar syrup that will take our lalmoon to the next level. In a pot, I am adding 2 cups of sugar and 2 cups of water. The perfect balance for the slicky, flavorful syrup. As it starts to heat up, I am infusing it with a pinch of saffron for gorgeous golden hue and pour whole cardamom pods gently crossed to release their warm, citrusy aroma, and for the final touch of elegance, I am adding 1 tablespoon of rose water Gulab Jal. This will give a syrup a beautiful flower essence that makes every bite irresistible. Let it simmer just until it turns slightly sticky, and there you have it. The perfect sugar syrup ready to soak up all the goodness of our lalmoon. Now let's make quick and easy kwa. That's called mawa as well. The heart of our lalmoon instead of the traditional slow cooking method. We are using the shortcuts that just as a rich flavorful. In a pan over low to medium heat, I am adding 4 tablespoons of melted butter followed by 2 cups of milk powder. To bring it all together, I am adding 5 tablespoons of milk and gently cooking it. Keep stirring for about 5 to 6 minutes, and you will see the mixture start to come together into a soft, slightly sticky texture, just like authentic kwa. Once it reaches the perfect consistency, turn off the heat and let it cool. And there you have it, homemade kwa, ready to make our lalmoon irresistibly rich and delicious. And we can check it by hand as well, but this one is little bit hot, so we have to be careful. But when we checking, this should be soft and the smooth, and we is ready to making the lalmoon ball. Now let's bring our lalmoon dough to life. To our freshly made kwa, I am adding 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, pinch of cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of rose water Gulab Jal, all coming together to create the perfect aroma and texture. I am gently mixing everything until it starts to combine. Now I am bringing to the dough to the perfect soft consistency. Here I am adding 3 tablespoons of milk and mixing again until it becomes smooth and soft and easy to serve. Now that everything is combined, it's time to work the dough to perfection. Using my hand, I gently knead and press the mixture for about 5 minutes, making sure it becomes smooth, soft, and well mixed. This step is so important. It's helped create the perfect texture for our lalmoon once the dough is soft and slicky. I start shaping it into a small round ball, carefully rolling each one between my palm. The key here is to make sure there are no cracks, just a smooth, even ball that will fry up beautifully one by one. I shape them, making sure they are all uniform, the size for even cooking, and just like that, our lalmoon ball are ready for frying. and cover the whole bowl by wet and clean towel. Now we are in the most important step, frying the lalmoon ball to perfection. I am heating up 1 liter of oil in wide and deep pan. The oil temperature is key here. If it's too hot, the outside will brown too quickly while the inside is still raw. If it's too low, the ball won't cook evenly, so keep it at a steady 120 degrees Celsius, ensuring perfect frying. Before adding the ball, I gently stir the oil in the circular motion using the spoon. This helps create movement in the oil, so when we fry, the ball cook evenly without sticking or sitting at the bottom. Once the oil is ready, I carefully drop into the lalmoon ball one by one, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. And here is the secret: I never stop stirring the oil in circular motion. This consistent movement keeps the ball floating, evenly cooking and developing the beautiful golden brown color without burning or breaking. Maintaining medium heat is crucial. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes for the lalmoon to reach that perfect reddish brown golden color. Slowly they puff up, absorb the heat evenly and transform into soft, rich and perfect shaped lalmoon ball. Once they are done, it's time for the final step, soaking them our aromatic sugar syrup. That's just like that, our lalmoon is ready to serve. Now for the final touch, I gently soak the lalmoon in warm sugar syrup for the 2 to 3 hours. This allows the syrup to fully absorb, making each bite juicy, soft and irresistibly flavorful. The color deepens beautifully and the texture becomes melt in your mouth perfect. And there you have our lalmoon, rich, golden and bursting with sweetness. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and comment on this video, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe. Your support means so much to me and I truly appreciate every one of you. I'll be back very soon with more delicious recipe. Stay tuned and see you in the next one.